Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Wordscape. Keep watching the video till the end. To change language on Wordscape, firstly go ahead and launch open your Wordscape application. The homepage of Wordscape application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the bottom right corner of the page. From the pop-up, tap on language. Choose the language that you prefer and tap on it. After you're done choosing your language, tap on confirm. This is how you can change language on Wordscape application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any doubts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.